A question that we get asked a lot here at Festive Lights is, how do I install lights on outdoor trees? So, in this handy instruction video, we'll show you what you'll need and how to achieve this incredible look using our ConnectPro system to install lights to an outdoor tree. For this video, we've used ConnectPro string lights, ConnectPro starter cable plug, extension leads, Y cords. We've also used a weatherproof dry box to keep our connections dry. Before you start, make sure to test your lights are working. Once you've tested your lights, the next step is covering the distance between the power supply and where the lights will start. With the ConnectPro system, you can insert extension leads between the system plug and the lights. Or, as in this video, you can use a standard household outdoor extension. Run your extension to the base of the tree. Make sure the power is not on until installation is complete. We're using the ConnectPro starter cable plug to power our lights. Insert the plug and secure the cable into a weatherproof dry box. Secure the lid to prevent weather damage to your cables and connections. Beginning at the starter cable, unscrew the connector cap on your first set of lights. To help align the male and female connector pins, there are arrows on the connectors as well as a keyway groove. When the pins are aligned, push the two connectors fully until the orange O-ring is squeezed, and tighten the wing cap securely for a watertight seal. Now begin to wrap your lights around the tree, working your way up the trunk with evenly spaced loops. It may be tempting to wrap the lights tightly around the trunk to secure them in place. However, don't wrap them too tightly, as the tree will expand and grow throughout the year, which could stretch the cable and damage the lights. Once you have wrapped the first set of lights, repeat the process for the second set of lights. Remove the male connector cap, align the pins, and push the male and female connectors together firmly. Tighten the wing cap. Keep wrapping lights until you're happy with the bulb coverage on your tree. To continue the display to another tree, we've used the system blank extension cable. This carries power from the lights on the first tree to lights on the second tree. We have 2 meter, 5 meter, and 10 meter extension cables, and multiple extension cables can be connected to increase the lengths as required. Another useful accessory is the 3-way connector. This is used to convert the single lead cable from the starter cable or extension lead into 3 outlets. As our trees are close together, we can continue power to 3 trees in different directions with this handy accessory. Again, make sure to connect these securely and create a watertight seal. With the ConnectPro system, you can connect hundreds of meters of lights and accessories to create amazing displays, and it can all be powered from one plug. You can rest easy knowing the whole system is rated IP65 and comes with a 2-year warranty. providing reassuring durability for prolonged outdoor displays. If you would like to see more videos from our connectable lights ranges, then please subscribe to our channel. Like this video, and if you found it helpful, leave us your comments and any questions down below.